Oh, almost pulled my rod in. He's on there. Ooh, this looks good. Better loosen up that drag. See him way out there. I saw a big carp swimming around out there right on top of where my bait is, and I think he found it. I can't tell how big he is. Just gotta keep him out of those weeds. He almost pulled the rod in the water, broke my rod holder. Once he sees me, he's gonna take. Nope, nope, don't go in those weeds. Oh, he went in those weeds right there. Oh, he's in those weeds right here in front of me. Oh, are you kidding me? I thought for sure that was a better fish. It must have been all the weeds that he's pulling in with him. Alright. That's just a 3-4 pound carp there. It's something though. I've been here for over 2 hours. That's the first real bite. He just got himself off the hook. A little carp, not the big guy I'm looking for today, but that was fun. He had me. It must be those weeds out there when they get hung up in those weeds, because it felt heavy at first, but well, fun fish, fun fish. Alright. I gotta see what this rod holder's all about here. Yep, broke it. There, good as new. That's why I felt so heavy. These rod holders are okay, but if the fish, if you set it right so that it pulls straight on, but if it pulls off to the side at all, it's just gonna bend over just like it did. Didn't actually break, just bent, but I'm sure it's going to break now after it bends a few more times. These are like $4. I might have to make myself a sturdier version. I like this because it folds up, fits inside my tackle bag real nice. I can get 3 of these in my tackle bag and don't have to lug around a bunch of rod holders. Don't have to search for a stick. I thought I had the drag set light enough where it wouldn't pull my rod in if that happened. Guess not. I can smell the stink bait they're using clear over here. They're like 200 yards away. I'm getting whiffs of catfish stink bait. Either that or maybe there's a half-used jar of it laying around here somewhere maybe.